Welcome to the Politricks Watch. This is Sir P. Although you could have called it Hurricane Watch. I get messages. Look, YouTube what kind of goat mouth thing this. So what you talk about? Would even make a talk, I'm telling this Iron Man. I don't know if it's an earthquake. I don't know if it's a storm. Iron Man do a beating. People who normally big and bad and bold, brave, now they are faced with something when a gunshot can't help them. You can't fire a shot off a hurricane. Your clansman link can't help you with a hurricane. Your one other links can't help you with a earthquake. A long time Iron Man they get a beating, you know. That's why Jamaicans frolic with things they don't even can begin to comprehend. But tell you sometimes I see how the people move, I see how the masses are move. That's my wickedest people I see. No 5 people them. Right. I run on Iron Man, that's my wickedest people I see. One of the biggest fake righteous covetous people, dangerous. But the rain falls on the just and the unjust. The rain falls on the just and the unjust. We never know if it was going to be an earthquake or a storm. But all of the people would laugh as on a dibble and dabble in a wickedness and evil. We're not going to know what real power looks like. We talk about a power even bigger than the people them were humble did it. We talk about a power, right? With no scientist, no engineer, no know to stop. Mother Nature in full force. If Iron Man lucky, right, I just watch the place, watch me. Whole heap of rainfall and banking tear off. If Iron Man lucky. That's actually a good scenario for Iron Man right now. How it really get ugly is when time the water fall and the wind come with it. And not only place a wash way, but place a blow away. We still have hope for the best. But it out of everybody's control now. I'm just surprised to see the reactions from people who normally so big and bad. And next thing this storm watch has shown me is enough Jamaicans. I've said it over the years, people use the whole religion and God thing conveniently. At this point them turn it into a mockery. They don't believe in nothing. The jihadi guy believe in a way he believe in her. He believes when him dead, he might go around place with be a virgin. He believe that so much that he's willing to end him own life. That's how much he believe in it. He's so confident that he not only don't fear death, but he speed up his own death so he can go to the place and believe in her. But Jamaicans don't actually believe in her, but hype and excitement. So they don't want to leave what they really believe in, which is hype and excitement. Jamaica has been dibbling and dabbling with acidity for too long. Jamaica has been playing with things that are bigger than them, making a mockery of things that are bigger than them. Monday to Friday, death, destruction and acidity. Right. And then the 1 or 2 day, right, praise and worship. Jamaica is going to get a box in its face and remind Jamaicans. When you take this thing for a joke, now they on knees and pray. Say, God help me. We don't believe in a God. Which God? How long now me ask the questions? Which God Jamaicans believe in? When them boss murder child, them say, God help me. When the witness dropping and dead, them say, Lord have mercy. Only God could do it. Look at the goodness of God. Jamaicans have been playing with this word God. Jamaicans have been playing with Mother Nature. Now them are going to see it up close and personal. You're about to see forces but no man can tame. If Iron Man lucky, all them see is the rain. Let me say that one more time. You're about to see forces when no man can tame. And if Iron Man lucky, all Iron Man get is whole heap of rain. But them big bad hurricane there, them not just tear off roof, them tear down whole building. Jamaica, little Jamaica lead the world in murder rate. St. James, I lead Iron Man in a murders. Beat not gonna hand out, you know. Mother Nature gonna beat Iron Man like our parent beat its child. So when the beating done, we're gonna see if we go back to square one. Cause if that beating don't work, a bigger one shall be distributed. Look, YouTube and have no goat mouth. This was inevitable. All them near miss there and all them. How much time Jamaica has been spared from its wicked ways. Jamaica has been all the years Iron Man a lead. How much murder rate, how much death and destruction, how much pit the gun all about the place and no business about nobody. All time when they make noise is when time a gunman and celebrity get locked up or police kill them. How much time Iron Man forget wash away and blow away. I wanna see Storm divert, Storm turn back, and within 5 minutes be a meme, everything funny. We're gonna see what funny now. We're gonna see funny now. How much time Iron Man has been spared in my lifetime? So much time it look like a sure thing Iron Man done. Iron Man has been spared. Iron Man has been spared more than a tire. And this year, me telling you, I don't know if it's a hurricane, I don't know if it's a storm. I don't know if it's an earthquake. Iron Man, the next one going to beat Iron Man. Cause the level of 2024, Iron Man show themselves. People them show themselves. People them show them stand for wickedness and evil. You don't stand for nothing. Right, worth standing for. When you never stand up for nothing that is good and just. Like hype excitement, clout and acidity. Iron Man gonna get a box in his face. And you see when time Iron Man get a box there. Right. That still gonna be the warning. As them say, the good suffer for the bad. And the rain fall upon the just and the unjust. For the people them love make joke and run and talk about this turn back and that turn back. Me I beg you to get a break. Cause when me say go on a grenade, but I run a joke with Mother Nature this time. We don't love when meme them, I don't love. You see, rise one gun and the storm turn back. It's a Jamaica, a bad man place. So I'm afraid of Jamaica. I beg you to get a break. Get a break for, because don't run no joke at all in Mother Nature. If Iron Man survive that one, yeah. If Iron Man escape the worst of that one, yeah. Nobody run no joke. We not tempt fate. We not tempt fate. These are spooky times. Check on such people and check on such people. They might not be around in a couple days time. Reinforce where you have to reinforce. Catch up where you have to catch up. Right, kneel down where you have to kneel down. I can't see the whole of Iron Man escaping this one. Some part I might miss it, but even if for the water alone, the water going to hold up a damage. Make you see. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know. More life. Ultra squad, stay circling. Bless.